So let him be ready, no problem.
Keep opening it.
Yeah, open
Go to the screen here.
So this is a target. You have a name. Okay.
Good afternoon. Actually, this is the external training record in third party and end user training. So this training system we have maintained.
Okay. So you have the training record like this, right?
This one,
Yes. And I can show you the third party certificate as well as a standard.
Yeah. So one copy.
Sure.
So that means yes, you have the training management system. You have got training record. You have got external training. Yeah, confined space. Okay. That's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Arnab.
Okay.
I will share my screen. For that, I'm happy. But now, how do you ensure the competency? Normally, competency means
4.1 is not completed. We have seen the site induction.
correct.
What about the HSE training matters we have included? Either
In HSE plan, in construction HSE plan,
Yeah.
they have metrics. Yeah, that we have pre-populated.
We have a separate HSE training plan also for this project.
But what I'm trying to say is that you need to mention, because you have mentioned it, what is the last line as a contractor development?
Yeah, yeah.
Because already we have mentioned it in the second line.
This one.
Yeah,
So what they have developed the training plan.
second line item already we have mentioned that. We are repeating the sentence.
Okay, okay.
The whole line item we don't need to mention because already we mentioned it in the second line item.
Okay, okay. Correct.
No, including the contractor has developed the HSE
This-
program, is what I'm saying. Because HSE training matrix in place to ensure the training to all concerned construction team.
Okay, okay. So this one regarding the trainings are being imparted for all the jobs also, and they are giving the toolbox training before going for the job. So all the records are being maintained. To be honest, Ram Prasad, for this I am happy. I will ask some question to them.
What I'm trying to say is,
Uh,
first line, it is the site HSE induction is being provided for all construction people.
correct.
HSE training matrix is in place.
Yeah,
Okay, construction HSE plan is in place.
correct.
Contracting HSE induction plan is in place.
Hmm.
Okay, training records are available in place to ensure the coverage of all construction people.
Correct.
Last paragraph will not be required because whatever you have said.
You're saying it's a duplicate.
Yeah,
right?
it's
Okay.
a repetitive.
No. Why is it not duplicate? Because for every job, when they are going to do the welding job
Okay,
or confined space, so they do JSA
Okay.
and they impart training.
Okay,
So
no, I agree.
yeah.
Now,
And so one more thing, sir, we have the competency assessment in place. So before proceeding the interview.